Hey, what's up everybody? Now hopefully everybody's having a great time. It's your boy Yashvir Gaming, and if you're new to my channel guys, I would like you to kill murder and smash the subscribe button right about now. Okay, so today I'm gonna talk about a topic that many of you has been facing these issues, okay, because you don't live in the United States. Okay, so let's say you do not live in United States and you wish to buy something from eBay, Amazon, Newegg, Walmart or whatsoever, okay, every US stores, okay, and you don't know how to ship without, because let's say even if Amazon do ships to your country, okay, but you will have to pay for Amazon global shipping program, and you will have to pay for the import duties, okay, which I find these prices, okay, it's gonna overstock your price, and it's gonna be insane guys, trust me. Because let's say if an item is $60, okay, let's say for example on Amazon an item you're willing to buy it from Amazon and it's only 60 to 80 bucks, okay, so they will add the Amazon global shipping, okay, that's cost at least, they will add at least $49. Second, they will add the import duties, which sucks by the way, okay. You'll have to pay for the import duties, discounted price, and Amazon global shipping. So after adding all the total together, okay, this the same total price of your product, it becomes like $200 or $250. Okay, no man, instead of buying it on Amazon, I'll prefer to buy it in my own country, okay. It's the same similar issues happen to me, okay. And in this tutorial guys, in this video, I'm gonna relate, okay, to you, and I'm gonna show you the best possible way how you can easily buy from Amazon, from Newegg, from Walmart, from eBay. You buy the product that you want, okay, you ship the product to a package forwarder, okay, and it's gonna be a door-to-door delivery, okay. I'm gonna browse to Amazon. Let's say I'm gonna find some de-authorize, okay. Let's say I'm gonna search for 9020, okay, de-authorize 9020, okay, SFF is small form factor, okay. So if you're purchasing a small form factor guys, then you have to be aware that the small form factors, this kind of PCs, they will only accept graphic cards of lower profile, okay. So as you can see guys, the price of this item, it's only $211, right? So here where price might surprise you, okay, here it goes. So as you can see, the shipping and the import fees to deposit to Mauritius, okay, my country, this becomes, okay, as you can see, the shipping is over $380.53 is the total, okay. OMG guys, 23 fucking thousand rupees, okay. So that's why, to reduce this price guys, okay, to reduce this Amazon craziness price, I'm gonna use a company which is called myus.com, okay. So if I go in my orders, okay, my past orders, I've purchased this Okay, Dell Optiplex 790 small factor Core i5 2400. As you can see, the item was delivered on June 23. Okay, so how this goes, okay guys, so when you're buying from okay, when you're buying, before you purchase it, you have to register and you have to register an account on myus.com. Okay, on myus.com, guys, they will give you a United States address. Okay, this is gonna be the warehouse where your package will be delivered to them. Okay, all right, so now guys, as you can see, the price is 107. Okay, 107.98. I cannot register the computer desktop to 499 because I have proof the item, the real price, okay, of the item is 107.98. so I'm gonna write 107.98. okay, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click submit. Okay, you confirm the declared value for each reflects the price paid for the item. Custom regulation requires a purchase price for each items. Packages that have invoice, yeah, don't focus on this, guys, because when you do have your Amazon orders, okay, when you do have the invoice of your order, as you can see, the total price here, it's stated 107.99 only. Okay, subtotal, grand total. Okay, when you do have this saved onto your desktop, it's an invoice PDF. Okay, it's, you can save it again as PNG. Just click yes, submit value. Okay, so do not reflect, packages has been moved, do not worry about this, just hit close, and action required. So you have to upload merchant invoice. Okay, even MyUS do not believe us. Okay, they have from ready to send, they have moved the case to action required, and now here all you gotta do is to upload the invoice of the package. Okay, so you have to click this, and as you can see, they accept PDF, JPEG, GIF, whatsoever. So you wanna click browse, and here it is, Dell 790 small form factor invoice. Okay, and I'm just gonna hit open, upload document, and as you can see, success, your merchant invoice has been uploaded. Your package is now in review by MyUS team, and you will be notified by customer service when it is ready to ship. Okay, so I'm gonna hit close, and as you can see, it's now moved to in review. Here it's in review, as you can see. So now guys, all you gotta do is wait, and once they have reviewed your item, okay, it's gonna move to ready to send. Okay, from here I'm gonna click this, I have reviewed all item values, updated them if needed, and confirm that they reflect the prices I paid. Okay, and all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click create ship requests, and that's all. Okay, so as you can see, that today's okay. All right, so now guys, what I'm gonna do from here is I'm gonna click my shipping address 1, which is the same. So I'm gonna cross check my shipping address. Okay, my name, my address, my country, and my phone number, and here I'm gonna verify the total. Okay, so here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the least expensive options. Okay, shipping method based on my item weight. If I would like to add the packaging options, nope. Shipping preference, insurance, okay, urgent handling, see more and subtotal. Okay, estimated shipping cost goes to 110. Okay, 110.97. okay. Alright guys, so and as you can see, I've just clicked ship request, and as you can see, it's processed the ship request confirmation, and it says success, you have completed your ship request, and email right away. As you can see, we have shipped your shipment request. Dear member, thank you for submitting your ship request. And okay, so I wanted to do this video to show you guys the proof. Okay, so and I'm really excited, okay, because I just started my PC, okay, and I've got this email. As you can see, where it is here. Okay, as you can see here, your shipment is scheduled to ship 6 July 2020. Dear member, congratulations, your first shipment will be on its way. Okay, and number of boxes 1. Okay, I have 2 packages, so they have combined 2 packages into 1 box, okay, which is good. And the weight is over 21.6 lbs, okay, and the declared value is 187.97 USD. Alright guys, so oh yeah, I'm really excited about it, and I can't wait for the multiplex to get delivered. And I'm gonna put my my GTX NVIDIA GTX 1650, okay, 4 gigs of RAM. Yeah guys, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It's yashvirgaming.com, your boy, and I'm gonna talk to you real soon guys. Peace.